is a great tasty tip using only 3 ingredients, and it's all you need to make this taste like heaven. So first you need some smoked scamorza. Smoked scamorza is a mozzarella and it's been smoked with beechwood. This one is just right because it's got a subtle smoky flavour that's going to go really nicely with our cherry chutney. And this cheese is particularly great at melting because it has a low moisture content. It means we can fry it up so it's going to be nice and gooey, perfect for this little tiny bruschetta. So just with a sharp knife, you want to cut the smoked scamorza into small bite-sized pieces. You don't want to cut them too thin because you want them to go nice and golden on the outside and then gooey in the centre. So I've just got a pan that's been heating up here, a medium heat, and we're just going to cook them very quickly until it starts to melt, warm through, and get that crust. Oh, so good. I can already smell the smokiness of that. So just with a small palette knife, we're going to turn that, and you can see it gets that lovely crust, just like halloumi. And by the time I turn all of these, we are ready to plate up. So small pieces of baguette, I've thinly sliced them and toasted them. And we'll take our gorgeous scamorza off and pop that onto our little bruschettas. And the last few, and you can see the longer you leave it in the pan, the gooier it gets. Oh, so good. Now, to make this really pop, it's about that little bit of chutney. I love this cherry chutney, and you can see it's quite chunky, so we just want to put one little cherry on each. It looks pretty, it's simple, and it's one of those mouthfuls that are just simply irresistible. Give that a try. Get your hands on some smoked scamorza. It's totally worth it. Let's have a little taste. That right there, it's the ultimate little packet.